I'm Steve with Elite Appliance Repair. So we got some easy do-it-yourself tips for your washer and your dryer. We're gonna start off with the dryer. The dryer, I do recommend having the actual vents up and out the roof cleaned by a professional every 1 to 2 years. Also, some really easy common tips is your lint screen. Your lint screen, I do recommend you cleaning after every single load. You will notice a buildup of lint, and it's easily moved away by just scraping the lint off or actually taking a vacuum and vacuuming the lint off. Now over time, you will get a buildup of lint that is stuck on that you won't be able to remove. If you just take an old toothbrush, and some hot soapy water and go ahead and scrub the areas that you cannot get the lint free, it will remove the lint pretty easily. Once that's done, you will go ahead, let it dry, and replace it back into your dryer. We're gonna go right into the washer. The washer, first tip I'm gonna give you is leaving the door open after every single load. It's gonna keep down the mildew smell and buildup of any bacteria. Also, on front loads, we have a boot seal. The boot seal does need to be cleaned with a 50% mixture of alcohol and water. And we're gonna take our saturated rag with our alcohol and water, and we're literally going to wipe down the whole entire bellow seal, removing any debris around the lip or the inside of the bellow. If you look closely, you're gonna see you can pull back the bellow and also clean the inside of the bellow seal as well. And if you'll notice, we have anywhere from 3 to 5 holes lined up on the inside of the bellow, which this is the water that leaks back into the tub. We want to make sure that's continuing to happen, so we'll take a toothbrush and graze it across the actual holes. You also can clean the glass, which meets the seal of the bellow, with your same rag. And just clean really well underneath, because this is where the water sits. I want to make sure we have a nice connection to the seal in the glass. All right, I'm gonna show you your hoses here. You do have to pull your washer away from the wall about 3 or 4 inches, which we've already done here. If you look here, you wanna make sure you have no bulges where your connection meets, as well as on the back of the washer as well. I do recommend you changing your hoses every 5 to 6 years and to change them out with stainless steel braided hoses. I do recommend as well every 6 to 8 months using a cleaner on the inside of the washer machine, which a couple companies do make. You're gonna add it to the inside of the washer itself, let it go through a normal load, and it will kill any bacteria and get rid of any buildup on the inside of the tub. And those are just some few easy tips for your washer and dryer.